Recently, Governor Bello with political will declared Kogi constituted law that guides against criminals and their activities in the state. He first demonstrated it when he led enforcement team to central senatorial zones to demolish 10 houses, including a mosque which was confirmed harbored criminals and kingpins in Okene, Adavi and Okehi local government areas. The state government's bulldozer moved to Dekina local government area in the east of the state, where a house confirmed to belong to a notorious criminal was pulled down. Governor Bello said there will be no mercy for the criminals whom he described as wicked.
Today we are here in the Eastern Senatorial District, executing that particular law of the land. This particular massive building belongs to a hardened criminal. And by the special grace of God and by the powers conferred on me as the executive governor of the state, we are going to bring down this building.
Government functionaries at the demolition exercise say this is the language the criminals understand.
If it is not in the law as it is today, we must go for further amendment of this law to include that if you own a property outside Kogi State, it will also be involved in the demolition.
This building we are standing right in front is serving not less than 12 gates with outposts, observation posts. That is to tell you the kind of person that man is. He has built this place as a hideout for training and to carry out all his wicked activities in Kogi State.
Before now, you can't move without thinking twice in this local government because of this criminal. But thank God he's been arrested and prosecuted.
But fortune smiled on the father of a criminal in Idah, whose house was at the point of demolition, and he pleaded innocence and ignorance of his son's crimes. He got a pardon from the governor.
I'm going to spare this today. Any other day, we discover that any of your child or your children is terrorizing the state, we shall come and put down.
Governor Bello ordered the local government administrator to get accurate information on the ownership of property by criminals to ensure justice prevailed during the wave of demolitions. Avoy Unwogu, AIT News, Dekina.